Hi, I'm Mike. It's time to wrap up the winter of 2019, we hope, as we take a look at the last storm of the season, how we got through it last night, car crashes that happened on the ranch, and how we reunited moms and their babies. It all happens right here on our Wyoming Life. Hi there, welcome back. Thanks for joining us once again as we take a look at what went down after our last video yesterday. We promised you a part two as we take a look at the aftermath of the storm that rolled through here last night and part of this morning. The storm moved in just like we expected. It had a little bit more rain in it than we thought it would, which honestly really didn't help. Still made things just as messy and just as muddy. But last night started early at about 8 o'clock.
Mom. Can you just open the fence?
So that's it. Now life goes back to normal. That's hopefully the last storm of the spring. Might still get some snow, but hopefully that's the last storm of it. It's raining right now, which will now continue to melt off a lot of this snow and make it even a muddier mess. And then, of course, freezing tonight. The roads will be nice and slick, so anybody else driving down those roads really needs to be careful. We've got a lot more coming up for you. On Thursday is another live stream. That's tomorrow. Be sure to come and join us there as the Armchair Rancher makes another appearance. We'll also be taking a look at mail call. First time in a couple weeks of doing that. So thanks for coming back, checking out our update. And until I see you again, have a great week. Thanks for joining us in our Wyoming Life.